Please stand clear of the doors. Next station is Queen Station. Arriving at Queen Station. Doors will open on the right. Please stand clear of the doors. Next station is King Station.
That make it so safe faster or
No. I want to have an awesome subway adventure.
This is the longer way.
I love the longer way. It's awesome. Like seriously, let's do it. Can we take the other train too?
Yeah, we are.
Awesome. Thanks. Sean, you get to go to your friends' house all the time. I don't. This station, I don't think, but I didn't know that like. I didn't know that they could have a train like here and it like connect. There's like a way like to get to the other end.
That's really looks good. Doesn't it smoothly look so good?
This is a neat station. The walls curved like that.
No, don't you think that smoothly looks good?
I don't know. No, I don't think that smoothie looks good.
Please stand clear of the doors. Next station is St. Patrick Station.
Subway's awesome!
Arriving at St. Patrick Station. Doors will open on the left.
This. Whatever.
Yeah.
Please stand clear of the doors. Next station is Osgood. Osgood Station.
The doors are closing. Wow.
Please stand clear of the doors. Next station is St. Andrew. St. Andrew Station. St. Andrew. St. Andrew Station. Doors will open on the left. Please stand clear of the doors.
You got Noah's video?
I have more subscribers than you.
Next station is Police Station.
That's awesome.